Hey squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool this one right here, and basically what this is a blanket warmer. They can also use as a shoe dryer as well, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like and also show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what actually looks like inside. So basically first thing you see inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set product and how to use it. And then right underneath that, we have the actual product and some accessory as well. So let's take it all out. Alright, so you see we actually take out the product right here. It's all nicely wrapped up together. So that way the product is all protected. But let's take everything out first. Alright, so here is the accessory that I'm referring to. So basically this accessory right here is the shoe dryer accessory. Let me actually take it out. Alright, so you basically want to plug this slide onto the actual product, and the other slide right here, you basically want to plug it onto your shoe, so that way it actually blows air into the actual shoe to actually dry it. And then right here we have the actual product, so I'm actually take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So basically in the front part right here, we have all the different buttons and switches on here. So we do have the brand logo right here, we have it on and off power button right here. We do have an indicator light to show you guys when the product is on or off. We have a time option, you guys have a temperature option. So you can definitely change the temperature from high to low or just a fan option. And for the timer option right here, you do have 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or 120 minutes, which is around 2 hours. And they do have a max button. So if you guys want to turn on max, you definitely can press that on here. And then right here, we do have the cable. So we take off the wrapper right here. That is basically cable you can plug in to actually activate the product, since this is not wireless. And right here, we do have the handle option, so that way you actually carry around really easily. And inside right here, we do have a compartment. If you guys open up, I believe there's like a filter part right here. And basically on the side right here, we do have a slot. So that way you actually put the cable inside right here and keep it all organized, which is definitely pretty cool. And then right here, we do have the hose option right here. So if you guys take it out, you can definitely put this inside your bed and just start warming it. But like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the shoe dry option right here, you can basically just put it inside right here and clip it on the side right here. Once you guys clip it in, you guys can actually put this slide right here onto your shoe and just dry up your shoes. And definitely have the option right here is actually really convenient. Since winter season is coming up, so there's probably gonna be a lot more rain. And when there's more rain, that means your shoe can get wet. So definitely getting one of these right here is actually pretty convenient. And once you guys finish using this option right here, you guys can just take it out really easily. And you basically use the product again for a bed warmer. And the cool thing about this part right here is the fact that if you guys want to stretch it, you guys actually stretch it pretty far. And when you guys are done using this part here, you guys can push it back together and just go like that. And you see right here, they provide guys instructions on how to actually use the product if you guys don't know how to use it. And there's definitely some more information or tips on the side here as well. And then this is basically what the bottom part looks like right here. And also, if you see in this part right here, they do have an option for you guys to open up. So that way you guys have a stand option to actually hold it up when you guys are warming your bed. And definitely one thing to remember is that when you guys have it on, you don't want to touch this part here because it's probably going to be really hot since it is a warmer. If you do want to touch this part here, you definitely want to actually let it cool down first. And also for this product, not only can you guys use it as a bed warmer and a shoe dryer, if you guys want to actually use this as a blow dryer to dry off your clothes, you definitely can as well. And when you guys do use a blow drying option on here, you probably want to hold somewhere around here. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Let me actually go test this out and see what actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the warmer. Let me show you guys how to use it. So first thing I'm going to do is pull this part right here. You basically want to put it inside. But before you guys do that, you guys want to open up the bottom part right here and just leave it inside like this. You guys want to make sure there's room for the actual warmer to actually blow inside. And once you guys have it set right here, you can basically turn on the product. So basically want to press on the on button. And you want to select the temperature and the time you guys want to use on here. Then basically want to press the on button right here. And it starts to turn on. So this is basically how you guys set the product right here. Very straightforward and very easy to do. So all you gotta do is let it do its own thing and come back and check on it whenever you guys are ready to use the bed. But even right now, when I put my hand inside right here, it definitely feels pretty warm. So it definitely heats up pretty fast when you guys use the actual product right here. Another way to actually use it, like I mentioned, if you guys want to use like a blow dryer to dry your clothes, if you guys have any wet clothes from like the rain or whatever, you can definitely use that in that case as well. Let me show you guys how to use it. So let's say if this is my wet clothes, I can basically go like this to actually dry it out. And the wind on here is not like super high or anything, but definitely feels like a warm temperature that can definitely help you guys dry off the clothes or keep it warm. And basically the third option that they mentioned earlier is the fact that you guys can use it as a shoe dryer. So if you guys want to insert this part right here, and you basically can put your shoes inside right here to actually dry your shoes. So let's say for example, if I want to use it for two of these slippers right here, I can basically slide it in like this. So once we put both of them in right here, you guys can see that is basically actually looks right here. Or if you guys want to do one at a time, you definitely can. So let's say if you guys want to put the whole entire shoe inside right here, you can definitely do that as well. It actually dries up pretty fast. And basically once you guys are done, you guys can turn it off right here. And when you guys click on the off button, it does need to cool down a little bit before it actually turns off. Alright, so you see how it actually turns off by itself once you guys press the off button, because it does need to cool down a little bit. But that is basically how you guys use the part right here. If you guys want to warm your bed, if you guys need to like dry off the clothes, or even if you guys need to dry off your shoes. So the product definitely does work. And basically when you guys are done using the product and if you guys want to put it away, you can definitely put the cable inside right here. It definitely took me some time to fit all the cable inside right here, and we still have a little bit part right here sticking out. But once you guys put it inside right here, you guys can close it back up. Just like that. You can definitely store your cable inside right here. It's definitely really cool how they provide you guys the option right here to keep the cable all organized. Alright, welcome back guys. So now just a quick test of what definitely see that actually does work, actually works quite well. So I really like the way how they designed this product, so that way you can use it in multiple different ways. So like I mentioned, you can definitely use it as a blanket warmer, if you guys want to use it as a shoe dryer, and you can also use it to blow dry your wet clothes as well. We can definitely do a lot of stuff on here, which is definitely pretty convenient. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want everything that I mentioned that's actually included on this product here, such as the bed warmer, the shoe dryer, and also the fact that how you can use it like a blow dryer to blow dry your clothes, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.